How to find Avelo promo code. Hey guys, let's get started without any delay. First of all, open any of your browser and search for Avelo promo codes. The best way to get the promo code is via the Avelo Airlines official website. However, you will not find the promo codes here forever because it only provides you some of the promo codes at the moment. So this is one way to find a promo code, but the other way is through the Simply Codes website. This can provide you up to 75% off. But make sure that you only copy those codes that have the highest discounts and are likely to work. These are the one which is verified as well. So to use any of the code, tap on use code option, which will then take you to another page. Now you can just copy the code or directly tap on Avelo Airlines. Now once you check out or book a flight, it will give you the code to redeem. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.